friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how to turn off TalkBack in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to off your TalkBack in your Infinix phone, so when you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off TalkBack in our Infinix phone. In this video, I will show you guys. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So when first of all guys, you will have to click on guys your phone setting and guys double tap. Then guys scroll with your two fingers. Your phone screen guys will work with two fingers, not one finger. Guys, click on guys your special function setting. Then guys two finger will click on accessibility, talkback. One tap, double tap, tap here, double tap. So your talkback will off in your Infinix phone like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn off talkback in our Infinix phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Bye friends. Bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video.